Good afternoon everyone. My name is Tanisha studying in 5th class Marie Curie. Today's signature program is Skill Master. Topic articles. Articles make it clear with which person, animal or thing you are talking about. They go in front of a noun or in front of an adjective belonging to a noun. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Balaji. I am studying in 5th class. Today's signature program is Skill Master. Articles make it clear what person, animal or thing you are talking about. They go in front of a noun for or in front of an
Adjective.
adjective belong to a noun. Thank you.